In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Classroom banner in Canva. We'll walk through the whole process together, from opening up Canva to downloading your finished banner, so you can quickly create something that looks clean, welcoming, and perfectly sized for your class page. First, log into your Canva account in your browser. Once you're on the Canva home screen, look over to the left side and find the Create button. Click that, and a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, there's a search bar. Click into the search bar and type Google Classroom Header. Canva will show you a preset template that's already sized correctly for a Google Classroom header, which is 1920 by 480 pixels. Select that option, and Canva will automatically open it in the editor for you. Once the editor opens, you'll see the templates panel on the left-hand side. For this tutorial, we'll use one of Canva's existing templates to make the process fast and easy. At the top of that left panel, there's a field where you can search for a particular style, such as something colorful, minimalist, or themed around a subject. Browse through the different Google Classroom header templates until you find one that matches the look you want. When you see one you like, just click it, and Canva will place it onto your canvas automatically. Now it's time to customize the template so it fits your class. Start with the text. Double-click any text box on the banner. When you do this, a text toolbar will appear at the top of the screen. Use this to change the font, size, color, and alignment. Update the wording to your class name, subject, or a short welcoming message. You can also add additional headings or subheadings from the text tab on the left. Try to keep your main message bold, simple, and easy to read at a glance. Next, add or adjust visual elements. From the Elements tab, you can drag in icons, illustrations, shapes, and stickers. Rearrange or resize them so they frame your text nicely without making the banner feel too cluttered. If you'd like to include your own photo or school logo, open the Uploads tab and drop in your image files, then drag them onto the canvas. If you want a moving, animated banner to use in other contexts, select an element, click Animate at the top, and pick a motion effect such as flicker or wiggle. Choose subtle animation so it doesn't distract from the message. When you're happy with your design, go to the top right corner and click Share. From the drop-down, choose Download. For a regular, static banner, select PNG as the file type. If you created an animated design for use where animation is supported, choose GIF instead. Check any additional settings under your chosen file type, then click Download and wait for Canva to generate your file. And that's it. You've just created a custom Google Classroom banner in Canva, ready to upload and give your class page a polished, personal touch.